Okay, I'm gonna have to redo my video because I realized it was in the wrong orientation to do the video. Sometimes that's how it goes. So here's the box that it came in. It says heavy. It wasn't too heavy, but I can see where some people would have to have another person help them or something. But there's all the possibilities with the bees and the flowers and plants and everything in there. So there's that. And here is what came in, what I ordered. So it came with the top, it was packed really well. So this is the top reservoir, and then I have the little mover. They had a sale going on, so I was able to get all of these for a decent price. I have sales going quite often, and I believe one right now is going on for the different colors. This is stone, called stone, I believe. I will put down in the notes what the color is called specifically, but stone gray or something. These are the mover parts. What I like about this is they have the instructions on the bag. So if I ever wanted to, you know, dismantle it and put it away, store it away, I'd be able to put these back in there and know how to do everything again, keep it all in the same place. And I got some fertilizer so that I can mix with the water and put it in every other time or so whenever I'm watering and they need their fertilizer. I also got these worm castings, which came in this cute little bag. I'm gonna use it in the GreenStalk, but also in some of the raised beds that I had some intentions on doing in the raised beds to kind of help keep the nutrients going and everything. See, they do show how to do it in the tiers, so that way you know how much to use in there. And in their little package here, this kind of talks about their company and the GreenStalk, and then look at the sweet little card on the back. They gave us a free package of mixed lettuces. It talks about when to do it, plant them. Then they gave us happy gardening, which I say happy everything at the end of my videos here. They also gave me that one free, the watermelon, and then these little peppers. And then I ordered, they had a sale also on some stickers, sticker packs. So this is what we got. They're pretty good quality. Oh, one more is hanging out over here. There we go. Very pretty. And then I had pulled out these. These are the water, where the water cycles through. So they had them packed in there like that. And this is the top water reservoir. Then inside here, see if I can get these out one-handed. See what I can do. I'm a righty. Hey, there we go. There's that little guy. It's a 5-tier one. Oh, there goes Simba again. All right, there we have it. Everything that was in there. So pretty nice. And it looks like they packed things, you know, pretty greenly. I probably will shred this paper up and put it in a compost pile or something. Use it, reuse it. So, hi Simba. All right, so the next time you'll see me, I will be starting the old GreenStalk. They say that each one of these tiers holds 1 cubic feet of soil. So I got some Espoma soil that they are exactly 1 cubic feet in the bag. So we'll see how accurate that is. All right.